Hi! In front of me is Oppo A1 and today I would like to show you how you can set up a block. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Privacy section. Over here. Now click on Privacy next to Permissions at the top right corner and tap on App Lock. Now select Got It and hit this gray sweater next to App Lock feature. If you don't have privacy password, you need to set it up to use App Lock. You can do that from here by tapping on Settings in the pop-up. Then tap on Use a different password type and select the best login method for your apps. 4 digits, 4 to 16 digits, pattern or alphanumeric. Then create it and repeat it in order to confirm it. Then set up your recovery image just in case and tap on Confirm. You can also click on Security Question, select the best one from you, and answer it below. If you don't like any of them, click on the question again, but this time choose Custom Question at the bottom and create your own. Hit Confirm to save it, and remember to answer it correctly below. Then just hit this check mark at the top right corner. Finally, to lock your app or a couple of them, click on the switches next to the chosen ones. I will go with Chrome. So when I click and go back, then try to access Chrome app. As you can see, pattern is now required. If you wish to disable app lock from one of your apps, just access exactly the same privacy settings. Click on app lock, enter your privacy password and tap on Now blue switcher next to your app. In order to disable app lock completely, click on this switcher next to app lock feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!